Gotukola is an ancient Ayurvedic herb that is now used extensively in the West. It has been in use in Asia for thousands of years, both as a medicine and as a leafy vegetable. It is first mentioned in the historic Sushruta Samhita, one of the earliest Ayurvedic medical texts compiled around 300 CE. Gotukola's scientific name is Centella asiatica. Its common name is Indian pennywort. The plant has distinctive round leaves, often described as brain-shaped. Traditional therapeutic uses: amenorrhea, antidote for arsenic poisoning, antidote for poisoning by Gelosimium elegans, antidote for toxic mushrooms, antidote snake bites externally, anti-inflammatory, blood diseases, blood purifier, brain tonic and brain booster, colds, cystitis, dysentery, elephantiasis, herpes zoster, jaundice, memory issues, mental restlessness, peripheral vasodilator, pleurisy, rheumatism, scabies, sedative, skin diseases such as itching and fungal infections, sore throat, stress, sunstroke, tonsillitis, swelling, urinary tract infections, wound healer. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe our channel.